Hey yo, it's better. It's Got here, and today it is a beautiful day. Cause look outside, nice, warm. It's not like this. Well, it is like this most of the time, but early in the morning, no. And it is not that early, but it's still pretty early. It is like, hold on, let me check the time. It's 11:29, and that is pretty early for us because I just woke up like 2 hours ago. But today I'm going to be riding my bike. Ugh. Nice day for riding. It's going to be awesome. Here we go. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. And I just crashed. I was looking at my camera and then I crashed. Well, besides that, it's still a wonderful day. It's nice, warm. Like 3 days ago, whenever I have school, it is like super cold. But right now I have a nice breeze, and this is pretty good for right now. Later on today, I feel like it's going to be like burning hot. So that's why I'm going to take a dip in the pool. Hold on. Gotta stand up for this one. Nice little turn. I wish I had like a little GoPro so I can hook it up to like right here, and you guys can see all what I'm looking at. Or I can get one of those head straps and then I can put that. It's gonna be awesome. I've always wanted a GoPro, so I might get one this year, Christmas. Oh yeah, so you guys are watching. There are no true fans, but still there are some fans that watch every time I post, which is like every 2 years. But besides that, I still post sometimes. It's just because lately it's been so cold and I've been so sick, but still getting back on track. Really nice. I really would like a computer this year for editing, so I can put like non-copyright music and other stuff like that. But I can still have fun, and I just crashed. But for all the fans that don't know when my birthday is, you guys should be spamming in the comments. If there are no comments, then just, I don't know. But if I do have comments, spam happy birthday, because on October, it was my birthday. I'm already 10. And my present, early present, it's about to hit 2020. And I crashed again. I wasn't even paying attention. But it's going to hit 2020, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And hey, Elsa. And besides that, it is going to be an awesome year. Every day is a new day. Stay awesome, you guys. And I will see you guys. Oh yeah. Before I sign you guys out, make sure you like, subscribe, comment if there even is comments, and turn the notifications on. because I am really trying to get my YouTube back up on track. Stay tuned for music video that's going to come out today. It's going to be a freestyle rap. It's not even going to be official, so I'm just making it at home. So I will see you guys all later. And I just crashed.